Are you having trouble thinking of what to make for YouTube content? Well, we have the solution for you.
Welcome to the Content Connection, where we share handy suggestions for all your content needs.
Are you ready?
Let's go! Achoo!
Introduce yourself. Who are you and what is it that you do? Why did you start a YouTube channel and what are your hopes and dreams for the channel? This is the video where you answer all those questions.
Hi. I'm Zeke. What's up?
Make a video about your first video. You can share the creative process and how you arrived at the final product. Share the obstacles you had to overcome and the triumphs that you achieved. Make a workout video. New year, new me. Give advice and techniques to help your viewers get the body they've always dreamed of. Keep track and progress so that you can get swole with your viewers. Use social media and hashtags to challenge your viewers as well as a way to keep in touch.
I'm working out.
Film a hangout with friends. Film a day where the viewer is part of the group as you spend time with your friends. This way the viewer have an immersive experience as if they are actually with you. You don't have friends, Zeke. You never go out of the house. Why don't you just go out once? Just stop pushing us away. Let us into your heart. Do a product review. Compare and contrast a product so that your viewers stay well informed. Show step-by-step instructions so that your viewers know how to operate the product. Do pros and cons, and then at the end, give your final verdict, as well as summarize your points about how you got to that conclusion.
This is a mouse. I like it.
Talk about your favorite piece of tech. Why should other people have this piece of tech? What do you like about it? And what makes it stand out from the rest?
This is the same mouse. I still like it.
Talk about a lesser known game. Do you have a game that you love, but others seem to not know about it? Spread the word by sharing it with your viewers. Explain why this game keeps you coming back to it and why you love it so much. Does it have an entrancing storyline? Is the art style unique? Don't forget to give a shout out to the game developers. That's a popular game. That's another popular game. Also a popular game. Zeke, that's still a popular game. Review a game in depth. Look at a game in detail and share your findings. Explore the art style or the nitty-gritty details such as shadow and lighting. Was the storyline exciting? Were the number of tasks adequate or were they cumbersome? At the end, share your final thoughts on whether you like the game or not. Compare one game to another. Take two games and compare them to each other. Explain why one is superior than the other one. Provide gameplay of both of them. That way your point will hit home. Make math tutorials. Math can be tricky and confusing at times. Show viewers how to use a formula and show your work on how you got to the correct answer. That way, a viewer can use it as a reference for future math problems. Okay, Zeke. Ready? Solve for x. X over 4 minus 4 equals 3x over 2 plus 3x over 4. Film a reaction video. Show your reaction to an image, a meme, trailer, or video. Try to film it the first time you've seen it. That way, your reaction is genuine.
A few moments later.
Make gameplay reaction videos. This is a reaction to the gameplay itself. Was the game dramatic? Was it funny? Was the overall experience enjoyable? Why not film yourself showing your genuine reactions? Viewers like to see and hear you react to their favorite games. It can even end up being entertaining for those watching. No! Stuff happened! Fudge, 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 I can't see it, Sark. Fudge, 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 fudge. I don't know what I'm doing! Where am I going? you enjoyed our first video and found it helpful.
If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave us a comment down below.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for notifications on new videos. Until next time, I'm Chedley.
And I'm Zeke, signing off. Haha! X is 4,681.3
No.
to the power of 7.
That's so wrong.
Oh!